Hello, space travelers, and welcome to the most scientifically questionable nature documentary you'll ever witness. I'm your host, the Cosmic Stick, and today we're ditching the fancy satellite imagery and diving straight into the beautiful, chaotic mess we call Planet Earth. Forget your high-definition cameras. We're seeing this world through the lens of pure, unadulterated stick animation. Grab your cosmic snack and prepare for existential wonder, because things are about to get delightfully inaccurate. First stop, geologic time. Most boring documentaries will tell you the Earth is billions of years old, but we've compressed that entire history into roughly 15 frenzied seconds. Here's the Big Bang. Poof! Now watch the continents rapidly smash together, crash, forming Pangea. Then they quickly scatter again because they had a massive argument about who gets the largest beach area. It's tectonic plate drama, people. Honestly, it's much faster when you just draw it with a speed line. Ah, the age of dinosaurs. These gentle giants, illustrated here as large, surprisingly square stick figures, ruled the land. They were doing great, enjoying their life of constantly chasing smaller stick figures, until one particularly bad day. No, not slow climate change, just a giant space rock that clearly didn't check the flight schedule. Bam! Extinction event, brought to you by poor celestial navigation. They didn't see it coming because, well, they only had 2 dots for eyes. Tragic, really. Let's dip our toes into the deep blue. Over 70% of Earth is covered in water, which scientists often call the big wet bit. Here we observe marine life. Look at the stick whale, a truly majestic creature whose sole purpose is to consume tiny stick plankton. Why are the plankton so small? Because if we drew them any bigger, they'd clog up the animation. The ocean floor is full of mysteries, primarily why the Stick-Kraken keeps trying to pull the sun down. Just leave the sun alone, Stick-Kraken. Now for a spot of mountaineering. We are ascending the Stick-Himalayas. These mighty peaks were formed by the slow, painful collision of 2 continental plates, a process that took millennia, or about 3 minutes in fast-forward animation. Notice the subtle detail in my struggle as I climb. The wind up here is actually just the sound engineer blowing into a microphone. It's harsh, it's cold, and frankly, my stick legs are not built for this altitude. Send help, or at least a stronger line weight. Weather extremes. Earth is the queen of overreacting when it comes to climate. Here is a hurricane, which is essentially the atmosphere having a massive temper tantrum. See how that Stickman tries to hold on to his tiny stick house? Futile. When Mother Nature throws a spiral, you just accept your fate. And over here, a drought. The ground cracks, revealing a hidden layer of previously erased stick figures. It's a tough world even when you're just a doodle. We enter the rainforest, the planet's lung, which is currently exhaling a lot of humidity. This ecosystem is bustling with biodiversity. Observe the stick monkey swinging through the canopy. His diet consists primarily of geometrically perfect stick bananas. If you listen closely, you can hear the distinctive sound of the stick jaguar, which is just me tapping my pen on the desk rhythmically. Everything is connected in this delicate, hastily drawn ecosystem. And finally, humanity. The most complex and arguably most confusing creature on Earth. Here they are, the basic stick people, engaged in the eternal pursuit of getting more dots and lines. They drive stick cars, work in stick offices, and are constantly staring at stick screens. Their major conflicts often involve a dispute over who gets to draw the next stick figure. We try to understand their motivations, but honestly, their existence is too paradoxical for my simple stick brain to process. So there you have it, Planet Earth, compressed, simplified, and slightly mocked. It's a remarkable place, full of improbable events and creatures that defy the laws of geometry. Next week, we'll explore the vast nothingness known as the animator's lunch break. Until then, keep drawing, keep questioning, and try not to get erased.